guys want a treat? Do you guys want a treat? Yeah? Do you guys want a treat? It's kale. It's kale. It's so good. Kale, yummy. There's lots of antioxidants in kale. There's lots of phytonutrients. It's anti-inflammatory. And it's even high in protein. Are you listening to this? There's a lot of health benefits in kale. You guys want to try it? You guys want to try it? It's good. Okay, here. Want some kale? Oh, what's that? Oh, are you eating it? Do you want some kale? What do you think? No? You gonna take another bite? No? How about another bite? You want that? No? Comes your kale. You didn't like it? Let's see. So how's that kale working out for you? You enjoying that, are you? Yeah? Well, I have another treat for you. Yeah, I made kale chips that taste like nacho cheese. You want to try those? It's better than treats. Oh, did I say treat? Oh, we know that word, don't we? Oh, you want a treat? Okay, let's try my kale chips. Come here. My nacho cheese kale chips. Ready? Sammy, wanna try it? Oh, oh, oh. Oh, hey Jetty, you wanna try my kale chips? Is that good? Oh. The true test right here. You can make kale taste yummy. Ah! Don't bite my hand. Good stuff. Murphy! Do you want to try some of Mommy's kale chips? Here, it's a kale chip. Look. What's that? Oh, it's good. Try the kale chip. Are you going to sing the Addams Family song? The kale also has sunflower seeds in it, and I know you like sunflower seeds. Yes, you do. Yummy sunflower seeds. Uh-oh, someone likes Mommy's kale chips. What? You gonna go eat your kale? Eat your kale, it's good for you. Make you fly like an eagle. Okay. You gonna sing the Addams Family song? Oh, you're gonna go eat your kale. Yay! You're such a good boy. You're such a good boy.